In this video, we will discuss making questions using to do. Making questions in English is different from the way you make questions in Dutch. At least for most verbs, the verb to be works in the exact same way. Let's recap so we can compare first. Ayub is the best student in class. To turn this into a question, all we have to do is switch the verb is with the subject, Ayub. Is Ayub the best student in class? In Dutch, this works in the same way. We have also discussed have got. Let's have a look at an example. I have got a new smartwatch. To turn this into a question, we switch the first verb with the subject. This is the same as in Dutch. If there are two verbs in the sentence, the first verb, which we will call the auxiliary verb, moves to the front of the sentence. Have I got a new smartwatch? Now let's have a look at other sentences with single verbs in them. We walk to school every day. In this sentence, there is just one verb, walk. In order to make a correct question in English, we need to add an auxiliary. This is very different from Dutch. The auxiliary to do is used a lot to create questions. Just add it to the beginning of the sentence. Do we walk to school every day? Remember, for he, she and it, we use does instead of do. Helen walks to school every day. Does Helen walk to school every day? Notice how the S behind the verb walk disappears. There are other auxiliaries you can use too. But for now, study and practice with making questions using do and does. You can watch this video at any time.